Hey there, I'm ZK. Honored to be selected by the UNCX team to speak. Before I get started, I wanted to give a huge shout out to the team. Web3 is big on like calls, influencers, but UNCX, like they put this on for like AI projects without asking for a single GUI. They've been pivotal to our initial launch. The token locker services helped us build trust with our early community development. So besides the services, I have mad respect for the UNCX team and being so genuine. So thanks so much, Karina. So I'm co-founder of a project called Generative. At Generative, we believe that AI should be open source, work for its creators, and is free from censorship. A reason for being is to provide the necessary economic systems to incentivize others to develop along our belief. What I mean by this is all of the different components that go into AIs should have economic systems behind them. One way to counter the monolithic proprietary systems is with an open modular approach. I'll break that down into 5 simple pieces: the dataset, training of the AI models, running of the models, and the model inputs and outputs. At Generative, we're well on our way to proving our thesis only 3 months since launch. We currently have a platform and an ecosystem that is live. With that, I'd like to highlight 4 economic systems of Generative. The launch of these systems is now poised to disrupt the rapidly expanding Web2 AI industry. We are releasing an industry-first model royalty feature in a number of days. This is important because Civit AI has over 10 petabytes of AI models being downloaded since their launch. Those works are currently not being compensated properly, with no avenues to do so until now. I encourage everyone to read up on the recent Fantasy AI incident and licensing behind that. This segment is a huge opportunity for us. Secondly, we also released our white paper on distributed AI compute last week and has received an overwhelming response. This network will utilize excess or idle GPU computing capacity and allow nodes to process AI compute jobs. It currently costs OpenAI $700,000 a day to operate ChatGPT. The global artificial intelligence market is valued at $23 billion USD and is projected to reach $422 billion by 2029. We will capture a percentage of this with the utility of generative token in our network. Third, prompt engineering. It's an emerging profession with salaries ranging from $175,000 to $335,000 per year. There are Web2 solutions such as Prompt-Base right now that allow users to sell prompts on their platform with fiat. The problem with this is once the prompt is purchased, the actual prompt is revealed, which could be consolidated and resold with zero attribution to the original creator. Generative has already made inroads and onboarded community members onto our platform with another industry first. Prompt masking will be available for generative token holders. With Web3, we are able to cryptographically secure the usage of a prompt engineer's work while they're providing their services to creators. Lastly, the outputs. Our platform is live and a growing ecosystem. Currently, AI art can be created for free. The NFTs can be lazy minted with no cost to the creators. AI art in 2022 is estimated at $10.79 billion, projected to hit $118 billion by 2032. I'm confident in saying that we are the largest AI-specific NFT marketplace in the space right now. In conclusion, these 4 items are not roadmap items, but long-term project visions. These are economies that are verifiable on-chain by our smart contracts, and the platform is up and running and ready to use at generative.xyz right now. As a project, we also believe in project transparency. Since launch, we have provided the community with weekly updates, and we've also listened to feedback from our community, have already onboarded 16 open source AI models. I have some additional project stats. We're happy to announce that we just passed 100,000 images generated today. It's important because this fuels the AI compute jobs for a distributed network. We have also crossed the 41 ETH mark in volume transacted on our platform. This can be verified, as I mentioned, on our smart storefront contract on chain. And the number is important because I'm also confident that it's one of the largest in our AI NFT category at the moment. Volume is important as it's a part of our economic design with staking, which will launch in a few weeks. So I call upon anyone that hasn't visited our platform yet to come and create with us. AI art is only the beginning for us, and we'll be expanding our open source AI offerings. There's no cost currently except for your imagination. Generative, come check it out. Hashtag GAI. We're on Dex Tools.